It's 1:30 a.m. in the morning, night for you. We are starting our trip to Wayanad. Last time when I came to Bandipur, it was winter here. And now it is spring season, completely opposite. And finally, after struggling a lot, we have found our resort. This is the outside view. Instead of having Google, we have struggled because they haven't put any big board outside. The board was too tiny to find out. Well, we have reached here and I must tell you guys the place is really nice. They have really nice service and good reviews on internet. This is at Sultan Betri Road and it's 23 km away from Wayanad. They have few rooms, I guess 10 to 15 rooms, spa, canteen and everything inside. And they newly launched this resort last year. So the service is really nice. And this is my type of place. I always wanted to live in this type of place. And no, I'm not afraid to know I will be okay without you. The campus is full with greenery, surrounded by lots of trees like jackfruit, black pepper, coffee plants. Never wanted to hurt you, but you wanted to hurt me. And then you left me. Hey, there is Kuhu. See, उसको नए दोस्त मिल गए हैं यहाँ पर. She is really happy with them. So this is going to be our room. Let me take you inside. This is how the room looks like, with the king size bed and table chair in the corner. This is the wardrobe, TV, tea table, and this is balcony with these two cute chairs and table. This is the bathroom. Hey, this is cool. This is so cute, by the way. They have body lotion, shower gel, shampoo, like this. This is going to be a swimming pool, I guess. So after getting fresh and taking rest, me and Kuhu are exploring the campus and then उसके बाद हम लोग नाश्ते पे जाएंगे. And नाश्ते में they have उपमा, idiyappam, juice, banana, bread, butter, चने की सब्जी and many more things. ये सारा कुछ हमने एक बार में नहीं खाया. ये मैं साथ में आपको लंच भी दिखा रही हूँ जो कि simply delicious था. और फिर उसके बाद हम निकल चले अपने आसपास के जगहों को एक्सप्लोर करने. विद द ब्यूटीफुल ग्रीनरी आउटसाइड. दे हैव कॉफ़ी, राइस, बनाना प्लांटेशन. सो बारिश की वजह से वी आर स्टैंडिंग बीनीथ द शेल्टर वेटिंग फॉर रेन टू स्टॉप. We have just reached the nearest place which we have searched on the Google map. Instead of Google, again we have struggled to find out. This lake is not so commercial, it's in the village view. और फिर यहाँ से वापस चलते हैं. There is a love lake also. You will find on the way to this lake. Returning to the resort, we saw this church and we couldn't stop ourselves to go there. You can see how beautiful it is. Finally came back. This is the night view and I'm walking alone, enjoying the place with cricket sound in my surrounding. Morning to everyone, and it's day 2 today. So today we have planned some places to go, but first we'll have breakfast and then we'll go ahead. तो हम लोग 6 लोग आए हैं साथ में, तीनों कपल हैं. तो चलिए मैं आपको सबसे मिलाती हूँ थोड़ा. आशुतोष, say hi.
Hi.
That's Premada.
Hello. Hi.
That's Ritesh. Hi. Says Anuradha, my husband, my baby. And now we are walking towards Edakkal cave. It's a really long walk to reach on the top. And I had no idea about this, that this is going to be this much tall. There are 2 natural caves on the top. और हम सब बिल्कुल थक चुके हैं, आराम कर कर के ऊपर जा रहे हैं. This is the entrance of the cave. और अभी तो और भी है. And finally we have reached on the top of the mountain and you can see the view. And this is the second cave. और किसी तरह नीचे उतरने के बाद हम वापस जा रहे थे कि बारिश होने लगी और हम ऑलमोस्ट 2 आवर्स तक यहीं पर बारिश के नज़ारे लेते रहे. So guys, this was my trip to Wayanad, and because of some reason I couldn't end this video in a proper way, but I hope you guys really like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to stay connected. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.